Hi friends, it's Lucy from Craftberry Bush, and today we're going to be making these beautiful coasters using the new Cricut Infusible Ink. I can't wait to show you, so let's get started. I wanted to recreate the look of a Moroccan tile, and so I chose this file from Etsy. I'm going to leave the link below just in case you want to recreate the same. And I just uploaded on the Cricut design space. I cut each individual square apart from each other and then weeded each one of them. Now set your easy press to 400 Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Next, place a piece of cardstock on top of the easy press mat, followed by the tile. Next, make sure you wipe the tile. You want to make sure you remove any sort of lint or any dust particles from the tile. Now place your design on top of the tile with the ink facing down and a piece of butcher paper on top. This helps to absorb any moisture. And now place the easy press on top. Now you don't have to have or put any pressure on this. It will do it on its own. Now allow it to cool completely before you peel off the paper. As you can see, the ink has completely infused into the coaster and is just amazing and beautiful. Another thing I want you to notice is how much brighter the actual coaster is to the paper. The original paper is a little bit dull, but once it goes on and it's infused, it's absolutely beautiful and vibrant. Next, we're going to be making these beautiful ceramic coasters using the Infusible Ink markers. Now you can print out a design and trace it with the markers, but I decided to draw mine freehand, so let's get started. Once you've done your design, you're going to cut around it, leaving a little bit of excess around it, a little bigger than the coaster. Just like the previous coasters, you want to make sure that this is free of any lint or debris, so give it a good wipe. Again, you want to line your pad with some cardstock paper. And we're now going to place your design on top of the cardstock, or you can also tape it ahead of time using heat-resistant tape onto the coaster. Now the coaster has to be placed the shiny side down, and the design has to be ink side up. Cover it with some butcher paper. Now heat your easy press to 400 Fahrenheit and place it on top of the coaster for 240 seconds. The coaster is extremely hot, so make sure you allow it to cool completely before you remove your design. Now that it's completely cool, remove your design and look how beautiful that is. It actually looks like ceramic that has been through a kiln. It's nice and shiny, completely infused onto the coaster. The last thing I created using the Infusible Ink was this cute little tote. As you can see, it has absolutely no lines like the other vinyl. It's completely infused onto the fabric and is just amazing. So there you go, that's the new Cricut Infusible Ink. I think it's absolutely amazing. I am so inspired to continue to create more projects. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!